सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु साहिब जी। कतिक कर्म कमावणे दोष न काहू जोग। परमेसर ते भुलिया व्यापन सभे रोग। वे मुख होए राम ते लगन जन्म विजोग। खिन मह कौड़े होए गए जितड़े माया भोग। विच न कोई कर सकै किस थै रोवह रोज। कीता किछु न होवई लिखिया धुर संजोग। वडभागी मेरा प्रभ मिलै तां उतरह सब वियोग। नानक को प्रभ राख लेह मेरे साहिब बंदी मोच। कतिक होवै साध संग बिन सह सभे सोच। कतिक कर्म कमावणे।
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। Guru Pyari Sath Sangat Ji, in this Baramaha series in the Podium, the past month that we had discussed was Asuda Meena, and on Agge Katak da Meena auna. Now, Jira Katak da Meena, you have to understand, Purane Samay to chalda hunda ke there's a lot of superstition, a lot of things that are considered as a bad omen within this month. That ਜਿਵੇਂ ਹੁਣ ਕਈ ਬ੍ਰਾਹਮਣ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੋ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਦਿਮਾਗਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਬਾੜਿਆ ਕਿ if somebody is born within this month it's considered bad, but ਆਪਣੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਹ ਨਕਲੀ ਭਰਮ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਖੰਡਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ। Maharaj Ji breaks these false beliefs that delude people, and because ਇਸੇ ਮਹੀਨੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਧੰਨ ਧੰਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਅਵਤਾਰ ਹੋਇਆ। ਇਸੇ ਮਹੀਨੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਧੰਨ ਧੰਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਨੇ 52 ਰਾਜਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਹਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਗਵਾਲੀਅਰ ਦੇ ਕਿਲੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ। So, but what happens is people start considering, because there's a huge mist of confusion within people's minds, that they feel that because of supernatural forces or superstition, they feel that things happen to them and always there's bad things happening to them. Then this month, Guru Arjan Dev Ji Sache Pasha stresses karmas. We start this Bani with Kirta Karm Ke Bichhade. It's those karmas that we have practiced and a Shubh karm that we have done, those karms that haven't united us with Paramatma, or jinu keh dende a karm param. Keval karm param se chinhe ਧਰਮ ਕਰਮ ਅਨੁਰਾਗੋ। ਧੰਨ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਹਜ਼ਾਰੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹੀ 10ਵੀਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਆ? ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਰਮ ਭਰਮ ਉਹ ਤੋਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਰਹਿਣਾ, ਐਂਡ ਫਿਰ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ? ਧਰਮ ਕਰਮ ਅਨੁਰਾਗੋ, ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਧਰਮ ਦੇ ਕਰਮ। ਧਰਮ ਦੇ ਕਰਮ ਉਹ ਆ, ਫਰਸਟ what is a karm? Karm is an action or a deed planted either mansak with your mind, vachik with your words, or with your sarir, with your body, the actions you do. That constitutes a karma, an action. Now actions are the reasons why we have dukh and sukh. So if you have pain in your life or you have peace in your life, it's because of those karmas that you have practiced or you have done in your past lives or in the first part of your life. Maharaj Ji ਜਾਣਦੇ ਆ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਕਰਮ ਕਦੋਂ ਕਦੋਂ ਫਲਦੇ ਆ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਮਹੀਨੇ ਦੁਆਰੇ ਧੰਨ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਰਜਨ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਾਉਣਗੇ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਰਮ ਆ ਇਹ ਸਮਝਣਾ ਲੋੜ ਆ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖ ਲਈ। Every Gursikh should understand what a karm is and not just go and blame it and say that things are happening because of somebody else to me, or it's a bad month, or I did this on Friday the 13th. These are not reasons that Gursikhs will jump onto. They'll understand, this is all God's will. This is God's will that's taking part, and everything that's coming to me, jo main kiya, so main paya. Dos na dije avrajana, that whatever I have done is coming back to me, and I will not blame another. So ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਮਨ ਬਿਰਤੀ ਇਕਾਗਰ ਕਰੋ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਖੋ ਜੀ ਸਤਨਾਮ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਆਖੋ ਜੀ ਸਤਨਾਮ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ
ਕਤਿਕ ਕਰਮ ਕਮਾਵਣੇ
So if somebody comes up and says that oh katak meena aa gaya to bahut mada hoya sade waste that this month is going to bad things are going to happen, then for Guru Maharaj ji ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫਰਮਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ katak is not a bad month ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਰਮ ਕਮਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਆ that's why things might happen to you. When we say de siva bar moh hai subh karman te kabhu na tarau, that shubh karm ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ shubh karm ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ those good deeds that Guru Maharaj Ji says, don't stray away from good deeds when the opportunity presents before you. There are two types of karams that are always stressed as karam param and karam taram. And this is also another name is given, vahat karam, and putting ada in front of it, it becomes avahat karam. Vahat means according to what Guru Sahib wants. And avahat means not according to what Guru Sahib is saying. If Maharaj is a darya, a river that leading you to Paramatma, the ocean, then avahat karam is you going opposing the river, walking in the opposite direction. So vahat karam kedeya? Well, those are some that you do daily, getting up at Amrit Vela, doing your nitnem, ishnan karna. Now, mind you, if you're doing it and sometimes ਬੱਦੀ ਚੱਟੀ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ meaning not full-heartedly, then ਉਹ ਵੀ ਕਰਮ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸ਼ੁਭ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਦੇ meaning ਧੱਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਦਿਖਾਵੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ that you're showing other people but you're not doing it with your heart. ਦਿਲ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਸਦਾ ਸਦਾ ਲਈ ਹਜ਼ੂਰ ਆ that Maharaj is always present and he receives that love that you have within your heart. So everything you do, whether you're sitting in Sangat right now, how you're listening, God is watching you. He is the Sakhi Roop inside of you that watches as a witness to see how the person is receiving the message of God. Right? This is the message of God. This is the word of Akal Purkh, the living word that loki duniya de vich bhulai baithe hai, that they have forgotten. And oda vi Maharaj ji tonu dasuga ki hunda. So main tonu dasse si vaid karm, those that you do on a daily basis. Then there's other ones that I'll just quickly mention to you. Some are on certain occasions, ceremonies, like that Gurupurab onda apa manone. Those are for Gursikhs to heighten their avastha, to get Maharaj Ji's khushi. Then there's sakam type of ones, meaning that for your own courage. Jime kehte ho anand courage hove, or tode jime if you have a business odi tarakki ho jave, that it becomes successful, ode liye akhand path rakhna, right? Those kind of things. Then there's also karms that are called prashit. Prashit actually means sin. And it also means the act of removing sins. So when somebody has done a pop and they go to Guru Maharaj Ji's Sharan and do a Japji Sahib and do Ardas, that's called prashit. And Evi Maharaj Ji nu ponda. He appreciates that Gursikh goes and holds on to the robe of Gur Shabad. Right? Holding on to Maharaj Ji's Shabad in all times, Maharaj Ji approves of, and it's called Vahat Karam. You're going according to what Guru Maharaj Ji, but if you put your heart into it, then if Alipu Tunda, meaning that it's made worthwhile, that Guru Maharaj Ji gives it a stamp of approval. But then there's Avahat Karam, O Kede, Kam Krodh, Lobh Mohankar de vich, or Sabd Sparsh Roop Rasgan, there's a lot. Chare Nadiyan Ag, Hans Het, Lobh Kop. I'm not going to go into all of them, but there's a lot of these. Char Kirvik, Char Kurat. These kind of things, Maharaj Ji says, inna to bacho. Inna to savdhan hoke rehna. Jis tode samne aa jave, that Maya is giving you a time to indulge, matlab ke bhog karna, oh cheejan da unna to varjit raho. That savdhan meaning at least as Change Gursikhs, you'll be able to recognize when Maya is coming in front of you, and then you'll say that no, Guru Arjan Dev Ji ne mainu samjhaya te aa cheez to main bach ke rehna. And when that thing comes around, then you can at least say that Sache Paatshah, give me the strength that main ye cheez to bach jawa. Je bach bhi gaya, main ahankar na kar baitha, that I don't become filled with pride that I saved myself from something because of my own actions. No, then you say to prasad. Right? Guru Maharaj Ji Kirpa. Coming back, karma kamavane. Within this month, Maharaj Ji stresses, Jere karma kamaya. If something bad happens, it's because of that. And it doesn't become of you to do what? It doesn't become of you to give somebody else those. It's your fault. This happened to me. Like I had already said, Jo main kiya, so main paya. So jo ho jave, it brings you into the line of acceptance. It brings you into what Guru Maharaj Ji wants as hukum, as pana. So you move forward. Baki, you don't know what's going to happen, right, in the future. But what has happened, you learn to appreciate and accept and learn from it. So ਇੱਥੇ ਮਾਂ ਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਖੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਜੀ ਸੁਣਾ ਦੇਵਾਂ ਸੰਤ ਬਾਬਾ ਅਤਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਮਸਤੂਆਣੇ ਵਾਲੇ Who's heard of Baba Ji's name before? Sant Baba Atar Singh Ji Masthuane Wale. Anybody familiar? Mahan Gursikh. Both Karni Wale. Both Jap Tap Wale. Meaning a person who has done so much meditation. That Guru Maharaj Ji, Guru Gobind Singh Ji called upon himself to come bring people back towards taking Amrit. Kinne lokan nu Amrit shikaya. ਇੱਕ ਬਚਨ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਸਟੇਜ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਲੋਕੀ ਉਦੋਂ ਹੀ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਣ ਲਈ ਸੋ ਐਨੀਵੇਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੰਤ ਬਾਬਾ ਅਤਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਕੋਲ ਕਈ ਲੋਕ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਵਨ ਟਾਈਮ when he was in ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਦੋਂ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ and ਇੰਡੀਆ ਇੱਕ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਇੱਕ ਸਿੰਧਾ ਇਲਾਕਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਸੰਤ ਅਤਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਕੋਲੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਸੁਖ ਹਾਸਨ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ and when that had happened somebody came up to Sant Atar Singh Ji. It was an Arya Samajist. And an Arya Samajist who had very Gnostic beliefs, like an atheist. This atheist came to Baba Ji and he said that Tusi ke kadi puja kari jane hai, you're doing puja, maaf karna. He said that you're doing puja of paper. That's what he said at Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. But we know that Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji is the living word of Akal Purkh. Well, anyway, so Khasan ho gaya si. And then at that time, the Arya Samaj said these disrespectful words. And Sant Atar Singh Ji said, Thakur hamara sad bulanta, that my Thakur always speaks to me. And he said, can he speak now? And Sant Atar Singh Ji didn't want to indulge in these kind of things. But unu aap hi Turoin Maharaj Ji to message aa janda si that he wants it, then ardas kar lo. And that Guru Maharaj Ji ne aap hi unu ishara kar dita Sant Atar Singh Ji nu. And then what he did is, he did ardas, he took a kagaj, empty blank piece of paper, placed it under Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. And then he took it out after doing ardas and he says, don't open it in front of me, this is your message. Ohne jeb ch pa liya and he left for home. Kare jaake chagga paya si oh la ke tang ditta and he forgot about the message that was written for him. Kyunki while traveling ਹੋਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਸੋਚਣੀਆਂ ਆ ਗਈਆਂ ਸੀ and he had forgotten about it. When he got home, then next day he found that he's becoming ill and bimar ho gaya. Slowly, ang pad stopped moving and he became a leper, where certain parts of your body start falling off and blisters and so forth start appearing all over your body. Bahut pehdi bimari hai. Everybody in the town started to find out that the Arya Samajist has now become bimar, and he had visited Sant Atar Singh Ji. Ek hi chakra, what has just happened? So they all went to him and he tried to understand. He couldn't understand himself. So then they went to Sant Atar Singh Ji and said that that person that had visited you, that he's become bimar. Why? He said that tell him to read the message that Guru Maharaj Ji gave him. He still doesn't believe that Guru Maharaj Ji has given him a message. So when they told him that, they went to his place and he reminded him and pointed that, oh jara mera tangya hua na kapda ode vich ode jeb de vich, it's in the pocket. They took it out and upar ki likhya si, Parmeswar te bhuliya vyapan sabbe rog, that you've forgotten God and because of that all of these diseases are inflicting you. All diseases bear down on you. Deadliest disease is hankar. Dirgh rog kya hai nu? बहुत डूंगा रोग आ ਇਹ ਹੰਕਾਰ then later on because of the actions that you commit because of your ego and your pride and your arrogance, what happens is later on it manifests in diseases. It comes from the mind and it shows up on the body. Well, to make a long story short, what had happened is then all of them took his body to Sant Atar Singh Ji. And he said to him that ਇਹਦੇ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ for 1 month have a morning divan and a sham the divan ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਹੋਵੇ. For 1 month they did it and he started recovering and then finally he was cured by the end of the month. And he said to him now that when he came and he asked for forgiveness from Sant Atar Singh Ji said to him that ਹੁਣ ਤੇਰਾ ਘਰ ਧਰਮਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਧਰਮਸਾਲ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ. That his house was now transformed into a gurdwara and on the front gate of that gurdwara was written Parmeswar te bhuliya vyapan sabbe rog. So Gurmukh ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਮੰਨਦੇ ਆ. They believe that this is the living word. It has the very power of what it says. ਉਹ ਸ਼ੰਕਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ. They don't put doubt into any ਅੱਖਰ of ਧੰਨ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ and ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ਰਧਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ and ਉਹਦਾ ਵੀ ਮੱਥਾ ਉਹ ਆਪ ਵੀ ਮੱਥਾ ਟੇਕਣ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ to ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ.
ਪਰਮੇਸ਼ਰ ਤੇ ਭੁੱਲਿਆ.
So if people in this life with all the things that God has done for them, if they become a kirtakan, they don't give credit to the Creator and onu bula deve, then what happens is all these rogues, all these diseases come down on them like rain, like a flood comes down on them. And they won't know that how do I get a cure? That they will have to come to Maharaji Shan. There is no other way. And when ਜਦੋਂ ਬੇਮੁਖ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਤੋਂ ਲੋਕ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ meaning that ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਰੋਗ ਹੰਕਾਰ ਦਾ ਵੱਧ ਜਾਵੇ and then they turn their backs on Paramatma, the problem doesn't just cease there of turning away from Paramatma. The problem will now carry on into lives. And ਇੱਕ ਹੋਇਆ ਮਹਾਂਪੁਰਸ਼ ਸੰਤ ਸੁਖਾ ਸਿੰਘ ਨਿਰਮਲੇ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਬਚਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਜੇ ਆਹੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੀ ਜੇ ਇਹ ਪੌੜੀ ਤੋਂ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਛੁੱਟ ਗਏ ਮਤਲਬ that if you leave the human life and you're not successful now, who knows when you'll get a chance for a human life again. That don't turn your back on Paramatma. Give it your all. Give it all your effort in this life to Paramatma and make this life safal. Otherwise, what will happen is, ਜਿਹੜੇ 84 ਲੱਖ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜੂਨ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, all those lives, what will happen? Janam Vijog. Vijog means a pain from separation. You'll be separated from Paramatma and all you'll receive is pain. Pain of another life that you do not like, another life that you do not like, another life that you do not like. Pain is going to encircle you through this 84 lakh. In evi savdhan ho ke sun lo, meaning that become alert and understand what Guru Maharaj is saying is for the things that you forsake Paramatma for. Those things that Maya has to offer, that kinnaman, what will happen is, in the beginning, they'll feel that you feel you're getting pleasure from things that Maya offers you. And for those things now you're turning your back on Paramatma for, later on, that these things is sool di tarah honge, like a spike, meaning that they're going to become sharp and come back to you. What goes around, comes around. So in the beginning, it's pleasurable, enjoyable, but then after it becomes distasteful, and you do not want to partake in it anymore. That goes for drugs. That goes for anything that you can become addicted to. Sharab hove, maas hove, ਇਹ ਜੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਜੋ ਵਰਜਿਤ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ Guru Maharaj Ji says stay away from. ਆਪਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਦੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਨਾ ਆਈਏ. So what happens is that kinnaman, that in a very small instant, these become corded, distasteful. Jinne vi maya de poga. All those things that Maya has to offer. Guru Arjan Dev Ji says in Sanskriti Slok, Pogam ta rogam. That je poga maya de, if you indulge in them, fir gaah jaake rog ban gaye. They're going to become rogues. And you're only going to fall into a pit that gets deeper and deeper, and you won't find your way out of it unless Marji's nazar comes upon you. ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਗਜਿੰਦਰ ਦੀ ਸਾਖੀ ਹੈ। ਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ਼ਾਰਾ ਹੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਖੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਊਂਗਾ। ਗਜਿੰਦਰ was sinking too, but he called on ਪ੍ਰਮਾਤਮਾ, ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਬਚਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ। ਪਰ ਕਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ otherwise they'll be drowning within this mayavi ocean. ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਕਰ ਸਕੈ।
And if you look to somebody else, like Gajinder did, he was looking for somebody else to call to him to help him from sinking, then ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਹਾਇਤਾ ਕਰ ਸਕੋਗੇ। ਵਿੱਚ meaning ਇੱਥੇ ਕੋਈ ਵਿਚੋਲਗੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰੂਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ। ਮਤਲਬ ਜੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਜਮਦੂਤ ਆਉਣਗੇ ਅੰਤ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਮੇਂ, during the last moments of your life, when jamdoots come, nobody's going to be able to come in between and say that ਨਹੀਂ ਭਾਈ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਛੇੜੋ, right? And also they're not going to let you go anywhere else. Tam means a place. You won't be able to go anywhere else and cry and say that ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਬਚਾ ਦਿਓ, ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੰਨੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਦੇ ਦੂੰਗਾ। ਨਹੀਂ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਜੇ ਕਰਮ ਕਮਾਇਆ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਬੇਮੁਖ ਹੋਇਆ, ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਨੂੰ ਭੁੱਲਿਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਤੱਖ ਜਮਦੂਤ ਆਉਣਗੇ। ਪਰ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ। These beings don't come, ਜਮਦੂਤ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਨੇੜੇ। That for ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖs ਜਮਦੂਤ ਨੇੜੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਰਾਹ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦਾ। But regardless, for those people that now go on Maya's path, those people that turn their back on Guru Maharaj's, what Maharaj wants as actions, avahit karm kamaunde a, then for ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਜਮਦੂਤ ਪ੍ਰਤੱਖ ਰੂਪ ਤੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਸਜ਼ਾ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਹਿ ਦਿਓ ਜੀਵ ਆਤਮਾ ਖਿੱਚ ਕੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ। They take the spirit out of the body and then push it into the court of Dharmaraj. And at that time, those things that you want to be done cannot be done. ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਮਰੱਥਾ ਹੋਊਗੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਧੁਰੋਂ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਸੀ ਮਰਨ ਲਿਖਾਏ ਮੰਡਲ ਮੈਂ ਆਏ। That those people ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਨਿਸ਼ਚਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ that ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਜੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਮਾਈ ਕਰਨੀ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ। But ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਮਾਈ ਕੀਤੀ, now they want to stay longer, that ਉਹ ਧੁਰੋਂ ਹੀ ਆ। ਧੁਰੋਂ means beyond, that how you come into the world and how you get separated from the world, ਇਹ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਧੁਰੋਂ ਹੀ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ।
ਵਡਭਾਗੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਮਿਲੈ।
And ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਡਭਾਗੀ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖ ਆ, those people now that haven't done any of these things, such as separate and turn their backs on Paramatma ki Amrit Shakya, they stay true to that Amrit and stayed close to Guru Maharaj Ji in a strong relationship. Oh loki vadbhagi, unna lai kya that they're very fortunate kyunki what happens is mera prabh mila, that what will happen for them is that they will be united with Paramatma. They will meet their Prabhu Paramatma. Vadbhagi Prabh aaye mil. Guru Maharaj Ji ne kinni bari Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji de vich kya that ਇਹ ਜੇ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਲਈ ਖਿੰਨ ਵਾ ਰਿਹਾ, that ਬਾਰ ਬਲਿਹਾਰ ਜਾਈਦਾ ਇਹ ਜੇ ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਲਈ, that those people ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਮਾਈ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ and they become successful and they leave with illuminated faces in the end because oh vadbhagya, they have met with Paramatma, they have become one Paramatma and their lives should be celebrated. They've met with Paramatma and all those pains of separation, Biyog, have been removed from their life. And every month, Guru Maharaj Ji gives a benti for every Gursikh. Last month was Aap Tyag Binti Kare Leho Prabhu Lad Lai in Assu. Hun is meene dware Guru Arjan Dev Ji ki keh rahe hain that Nanak ko Prabh Rakh le mere Sahib Bandi Moch. Bandi Moch means, today you are listening to a Sakhi of Guru Gobind Singh Ji, and you were told in reference to Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji of how he freed the prisoners. That's what Bandi Moch means. Bandi Moch means the person who liberates from captivity or imprisonment. ठीक है जी? So ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਗਾ ਲਈਏ ਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਕੰਠ ਹੋ ਜਾਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਬੰਦੀ ਮੋਚ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਬੰਦੀ ਮੋਚ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਬੰਦੀ ਮੋਚ
साहिब बंदी मोच
मेरे साहिब बंदी मोच मेरे साहिब बंदी मोच
मेरे साहिब बंदी मोच मेरे साहिब बंदी मोच
नानक को प्रभ राख ले नानक को प्रभ राख ले
नानक को प्रभ राख ले नानक को प्रभ राख ले
मेरे साहिब बंदी मोच मेरे साहिब बंदी मोच
मेरे साहिब बंदी मोच मेरे साहिब बंदी मोच
नानक को प्रभ राख ले नानक को प्रभ राख ले
नानक को प्रभ राख ले नानक को प्रभ राख ले
मेरे साहिब बंदी मोच मेरे साहिब बंदी मोच
मेरे साहिब बंदी मोच मेरे साहिब बंदी
Moch means to cut the shackles off and free that person from bandi, meaning captivity. And Mera Sahib, my master, is the liberator from captivity. And Guru Arjan Dev Ji says, Oh Paramatma todi rakhya kare as Sahib Bandi Moch.
Katik hove sadh sang.
And within the month of Katak, Marji also stresses that sadhuan di sangat karya karo, those people that are trying to correct their mind, trying to collect their mind, and trying to connect their mind with Guru Maharaj. ਇਹ ਤਿੰਨ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਚੇਤੇ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਕਿ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗ ਇਹੀ ਆ, those people that do this with their tan man tan, that do it with their mind, body and wealth, that do it to correct their karmas with their man, mind, word and body. ਉਹ ਇਹ ਕਰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗ ਹੋਵੇ ਬਿਨ ਸੇ ਸਭੇ ਸੋਚ. And then what will happen? ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਰਮ ਆ ਨਾ ਸੋਚਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, all those things that are in your head that cause people to think, oh, there's these things happening to me. I must have gone some poot that's attached to me, or some superstitious things. Oh, a black cat crossed my path. That means I have bad luck today. All of Maya's delusion goes away and Parmeshwar da Prakash andro ho janda. Ye sab socham fir mit jandiyan han. So, is meene dware Guru Maharaj Ji has stressed karams. Forgive me if I made any mistakes. Is meene dware tusi chete rakhna. What is a karam? What karams I need to do that bring me closer to Paramatma? What karams I need to defeat to take them away from my life that is breaking me from Paramatma? Those are the couple of things that I want you to think about. And when the time of Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji comes, Bandi Shor Divas, remember Guru Sache Pasha. Remember how he took those Raje out of Gwalior the Killa, and you go and sing this line that I had said, Mere Sahib Bandi Moj. Remember him, that this Meene Dware Jo Maharaj Ji ne Updesh Dita, that Guru Arjan Dev Ji said, his Sahibzada Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji ne kamaya. Matlab that he showed this as a Vyakhya, as a translation, and showed it in a Pratak room. So forgive me if I made any mistakes. Let's sing these last couple of lines and fir samapti.
Nanak ko prabh rakh le mere
Sahib bandi moch, katak hove sad sang, bin se sabbe soch. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji